Hi guys, it's your girl Lydia Wendy's, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use my fryer. It is the GOURMIA Digital Air Fryer. Alright, this is the manual, so I'm going to go through this. But first of all, I just washed this, so it's already washed with soapy water. I'm planning to show you how I'm going to use it. This is the first time I'm using it. I read the instructions, so I'm trying to place this in its place. As you can see, it's got 2 arrows. I'd like to show you those arrows. That's the arrow. Okay, so the book tells me that I should put these arrows at the edge of this, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to place it like that. I'm going to put on the switch. Oops. This is the fryer. Okay, this is the power button that comes on. I want to make some fries and some chicken dippers. Tap the power icon to turn on the appliance. This is the power button. Alright, which is preheat the air fryer by tapping the menu icon until the preheat icon appears. Tap the power icon to begin preheating. Okay, so we're going to press the menu button, which is this one. Okay, so I'm going to press it. That is the preheat button. It looks like the fan and the preheat are both on. So now I press the power button and the preheating begins. Alright, place the ingredients in the pan. Do not overload. Spray with cooking oil for a crisper finish. Slide the pan into the air fryer. I was told to pull it out. You have to hold that surface so it doesn't come along. And then I need to buy something that goes underneath, which I'm not sure if I've got something that can work for now. I'm going to put the food in there. So I'm trying to make fries for 3 and we are hungry. I'm going to have this with a wrap. Chicken dippers. I know it's taking me so long. I don't want to lose the preheating that I did. I'm going to spread them out now. I didn't see the mark that says this is where you're supposed to stop, but I'm going to push that in. Oops. Number 6, to select a preset, tap the menu icon until desired food icon appears. The temperature and time will appear on the screen. Alright guys, so that's the menu icon. If I'm to be precise, the menu icon is here. Every time you press the menu icon, it shows you something, yeah, a preset, and then another preset which is the prawn, another preset which is pizza. Is that chicken drumstick? That is fish. That is I don't know what it is. Might be steak or something. Okay, that's cupcake. Is that bacon? Starting again. Oh, it goes back again. All right, it goes back again. And then what are we cooking? We're cooking chips. Where's the chips? Do you know what? I'm gonna go back to the menu and look for chips. Thick frozen fries. That's 225 grams. That could be like 1 cup, or that's about a half of 500 milligrams or grams, whatever. That's half of that. We go for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We'll go for 15 minutes because I want it crispy, and the temperature should be 200. That's all we need. You need to check it every 5 minutes if you want it to be consistent, like being evenly cooked. You know how to choose a preset. That's how you do the 15 minutes. Here, the minus and the plus, 16, so you go down 15 minutes. Okay, that's for the chips. Your temperature, you're gonna need to touch the temperature here, and then you need 200. Okay, so for the chips it's gonna be 200, and it's all written in the manual. So 200 is the highest actually. Yeah, so we've got 215 minutes for the chips to be cooked. To begin the air frying process, tap the power icon, and that's just about it. That is the power icon. Okay, that's the sound. Just to show you, it's showing the fan, so the air circulating. Okay, this is the first time I'm using this, so guys, just bear with me. We're learning together. Yeah, so just hang on and wait for it. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna be back in a second. All right, lovely people, I'm gonna pull it out, and oops, that was steam. Did you see that? Okay, so we're gonna shake this for it to be even. I want to put it on my bowl and burn it. I don't know if it's effective. That's why I'm doing it for a bit longer. But okay, look at it. It's not evenly cooked as yet. You can see that it's more icy than this. But do you know what? I'm gonna put it because it's just 10 minutes. That's gone past. Right. Okay, so we're gonna wait. That's what it looks like. That's 10 minutes gone, and the fan is running. I'm 1 minute late, so yeah, I'm gonna pull this out. Okay, yeah, you hear the sound. Oh, chips is still lacking, but I'm impressed so far. I think the chips might need more because there's 4 minutes left. Okay, oh, there we go. So we're still waiting. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, there was about 5 bits. Okay, so yeah, so it blinked when it finished, and I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, that's how I pull it out, and this time I've placed it on this just to protect my wood, and I wanted to see what it looks like. Yeah, so would I eat this right now? No, I'd like to cook it a little bit more. I want all of it to look like those edges, because I'm really used to something that's very crispy. You know what, guys, I'm gonna get some oil, brush it, and then we're gonna take it back for about 5 minutes. This is gonna replace the spray, because I don't have a spray right now. I might have to buy one. And we're gonna brush it with some oil. Okay, because I want it crispy. If it's not crispy, it's gonna be like oven cooked. But do you know what? I'm gonna give it a doubt of a benefit and test it, because I'm just judging it. That was the sound of it. So I just wanted you to know how crispy it is. It is crispy, but I'm gonna give it a glitter. All right, but yeah, so I'm gonna push this back, okay, until it clips. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the temperature higher. Should be 200 on the fries, frozen fries. And here we have 15 minutes. I'm not gonna go for 15 minutes because we're already almost there. So according to my predictions, I think I'm gonna get perfection in 8 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to power. Okay, and we'll wait for it. Okay, all right, guys, so I'm gonna try to pull this out. Okay, right, so we can check. Oh my goodness, look at how, oh, I love it when it's got some band corners. When it's, oh god, I'll take those out. Do you know what, it's all different. The ones here are not that color, these ones are not like that. So yeah, so do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna shake it a bit. Okay, I'll take this out. Okay, I really don't mind it being crispy, like, okay, do you know what happened? I think it's cooked, but it's just the outer skin got off just because it was frozen, and when it's frozen it's got water on it, so the water kind of brushes the top skin off. Do you get what I mean? The bit that's supposed to be crispy goes off, so that's what happened. So there's nothing wrong with it, it's okay. So we're gonna put this back and continue with our cooking. Oops, I'm gonna open this, so it's done cooking. Some of them burnt. That's what I wanted. I always open every after 5 minutes and shake it. It looked a lot, but that's fine. I'm gonna get this and put it in the... Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press that notification bell below so that you can be notified every time there's a new video from me. Thank you very much. Bye.